This week we are working on the book Chickens Aren't the Only Ones, and the book is about different types of animals that lay eggs. So the two vocabulary words that we're going to be learning this week are oviparous, O-V-I-P-A-R-O-U-S, and viviparous. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to write the two words on your vocabulary worksheet. Write oviparous at the top and viviparous in the bottom box by the pencils. Okay, so for oviparous animals are animals that lay eggs. So after we read the book, we know lots of different animals lay eggs. So I drew a picture of a frog or a toad and a bird, but we could also put some reptiles in there, and we could also put some fish. So draw a picture of different oviparous animals. Now go down here, write viviparous in that other box if you haven't already. And viviparous animals are animals that give birth to live young. So human beings, for example, give birth to live young, and cats and dogs and cows and donkeys and pigs. Any mammal gives birth to live young. The book gave two examples of mammals or animals that have fur that don't, and they both live in Australia. So you can pick any other mammals, draw pictures of them, okay? And now we're going to use both of these words in a sentence. So for oviparous, the sentence I wrote is birds and frogs are oviparous. You may use my sentence and copy it, or you may make up your own sentence using the word oviparous in the sentence. You also need to write a sentence with the word viviparous in it. For mine, I wrote pigs and cats are viviparous. Make sure that you start your sentence with uppercase letters and that you leave spaces between each word, and you end each sentence with the appropriate punctuation. All right, do your best work. When you're all done, please place your vocabulary sheet in the back of your reader's workshop folder. Thank you.